The shortstop filter is a fine filter that replaces a component of the ultra-high pressure water connection to the cutting head mounting collar. This filter protects the orifice from debris that can come from the intensifier pump. If debris makes it to the orifice, it can cause the orifice to be damaged, resulting in poor stream quality. The shortstop filter replaces the cone adapter/bullet of the ultra-high pressure water connection. Place the cone filter, part number 104709, into the cone adapter, part number 104708 for 60K, and part number 110978 for 100K. The filter element should be checked and cleaned every 400 hours of use. Typical life of the filter is about 1,000 hours, depending on the water quality and cycle rates. The shortstop filter assembly can be found in the final high-pressure fitting near the cutting head on 3-axis machines and is found prior to the 3/8 plumbing swivel on 5-axis machines. Cleaning or replacing the filter. You will need precision lubricant, shop air, cleaning solution, and the appropriate wrenches. Tag out the intensifier pump and manually shift the pilot valve to make sure there is no potential energy left in the pump. Verify that the high pressure water gauge reads 0. Turn the blue hand valve, typically mounted on the Z-axis faceplate, all the way clockwise to close the water off to the cutting head. Place a large flat sheet, such as cardboard, on the catch tank surface. Disconnect the 1/4-inch high pressure line from the shortstop assembly. Once the line is disconnected, loosen the shortstop filter assembly from the mounting collar. Remove the assembly from the mounting collar. Once the assembly is out, remove the cone from the adapter and remove the filter from the cone. Inspect the cone adapter sealing faces to make sure there are no scratches or damage to ensure that it will make a good seal. Replace if necessary. If cleaning the filter, blow out with shop air and clean with solution. Inspect the filter after cleaning. If the debris does not come out, the shortstop filter needs to be replaced. Place precision lubricant on all metal-to-metal surfaces on the cone adapter, taking care not to over-apply to the bore of the cone adapter. Lubricate the threads of the fitting with precision lubricant. Install the replacement or cleaned filter into the cone adapter and place the cone adapter into the fitting. Install the assembled shortstop filter assembly onto the machine. This fitting needs to align with the component inlet. Turning the fitting while adjusting the component location is necessary for this alignment. Improper alignment can cause damage to the cone and the component, making replacement necessary. Tighten the shortstop filter assembly against the component. Reinstall the high-pressure plumbing to the assembly using a clean and lubricated fitting. Tighten using 2 wrenches. Turn the hand valve fully counterclockwise to allow water to the cutting head. Remove any locks or tags and turn the machine back on. Turn on the intensifier pump and leave at the low pressure setting. Check for any leaks. If no leaks are present, bring the machine to high pressure to ensure there are no leaks. The machine can now be brought back into production.